friends, this is me Zahid Hussain. Our complete video training course of computer embroidery designing on Wilcom software is continue, and in this video you will learn that how we can use Motif fill and its layout function. In this video we will learn about Motif fill and its layout function. So in the beginning of this video I want to tell you that if you are watching this video first time on YouTube or any other website, so for complete course and for complete learning you can visit our website computerhall.blogspot.com. Here you will get all the details about this complete video training learning course. So in this video, in the previous video we was learn about Motif fill, and we was learned that how we can make any type of object by using complex fill and using motif in the fillings. Now in this video we will learn about the layout function of the motif fill only. So I will make some other layouts. For example this, and I will change also this tool. No, this is, it cannot be changed into motif fill because this is not made with complex fill. Actually this object is made with input B, and we cannot apply motif fill on input A or B type of object. We can only use this type of objects on which is on those objects which is made by complex fill. So I will change this on again. And this also. All these things which I am not describing here, we have learned all these things in the previous videos. So here we will only talk about the motif fill layout option. Now you can see that we have there different type of objects which is made with complex fill and using stitch type of values of motif fill. Now we can make a duplicate of effect by using layout. When we will click here on motif fill button, so you can see here in files button you can see here there is a plugin, there is a button with the name of layout. Select the object in which you want to use this option, and make a duplicate copy. I have already told you in the previous videos the different ways that how you can make a duplicate copy of any object. So in this video I will make the duplicate copy by pressing Ctrl D, and I will change the color like blue. You can see that a duplicate copy has created. Ctrl Z for undo. Now I have to click on layout button. First select the object and then click on the layout button. When you will click on the layout button, you can see that here some options are appeared. Zoom them. You can see that there is a selection. You can see a selection. You have to give them the position. Of anywhere. For example, I give them a position like this, and press enter. Now unzoom, press B button and make some zoom. So you can see that we have make object by using layout. It will be make doubling of our motif fill. if I will control Z and undo, and I will zoom again the object, or no, control Y. So we cannot do here the we cannot use the uh, undo option here. Now we will apply this function in this circle, in this object. Now select the object, make a duplicate copy, change the color, click on layout, and you can see that here the object of uh, for making duplicate has appeared. One thing always remember that this object can be appear in anywhere on our screen. If you don't able to get this object, so press 0 button from your keyboard. So this object, if this object is not showing in the design, is this object is showing on any other position, so by pressing 0 key from your keyboard you can find compulsory this object. If if you don't find this object, if you don't find this object on the design, so press 0 button from your keyboard, all design will show, and you will must find the select object anywhere on the screen, you will must find. So now I will make some zoom. So now I have to uh, give the so now I have to give the placement for making design. For example, I will give them this position and press enter. So you can see that in this way we can make uh, any beautiful object by using the option of layout. And now we will make a duplicate by pressing Ctrl D, change its color. Now click on layout, some zoom, and make a and give them a position like this and press enter. So you can see that we have made this object more beautiful by using the layout option. So now there is one more object, two more objects also. Same method like the previous videos. Click on the object, make a duplicate copy, change the color, click on layout. Now we have to give the position in these dots. In these dots there is a selecting point, we have to give them the position of anywhere as you want. For example, I give him the position like this, press enter. So you can see that we have create a beautiful object, okay, like this. So now we will work on this object, Ctrl D for create a duplicate object and change its color, and now click on layout, and now you can see that its selected object is here. You can see that its selected object is here in these dots, in these dots. Now press B button and zoom again. So this is sorry, so this is the selected object. For example, I give, now we have to give them a position. For example, I give them a position like this and press enter. So in this way we can make any type of object by using motif fill layout option. Sorry dear, I have tired. I am working from a long time and creating video training classes for you. So I have tired. So anyway, I hope you will like this video. And for all new updates, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and like our Facebook page. We will meet again inshallah Aziz. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.